Ah, Solo. I don't find you. I don't waka. I don't know say you not there in the shop. How far now? Drop.
What did they do?
They chop now. Mo chop now.
See, now my mommy house be this one. Eh? I chop my mommy house. If I call your mommy house, you do me what I do. You do me back. You hear me?
You don't reach food now. You don't get mommy. They get Solo. You know work. Oh. If not that issue, that stand you know work. Mo chop you say. Hey, this man.
Solo. Hey! Solo!
Ma?
I don't talk now. As I just enter house, you think say small sleep just catch me. Now you just go kitchen, go pack the whole food. Which one you say make the rest people eat now? Eh? No, wait, I want to ask you something. This food, how many of you now eat? Nah, 12 for Nasha.
No, you not green, sir. You never give me a chop. Oh. You not green.
Solo,
Mama.
only you want eat this food. You see as laziness just dey worry you. Eh?
If you don't make me vex, I will just vex. I will come up for this house. I will go city. Wait, that food be the person the chop. You chop apple for morning, afternoon, and night. You say now, if I go city now, I will just go follow your brother stay. I will chop better food. I will change food.
God, I beg, make it happen. I beg, go the city.
You think that I jump with this one? Eh? Let's go out there from morning till evening. I put the chop morning, night, and afternoon. Eh? The grace.
See, you know what thing will happen. If you say na transport, me go find transport give you. I beg.
I don't need your transport.
Because my body dey hot. Oh my body dey hot, Solo.
Mama, waiting. Eh? At my age, my mate sit there in mama house. At age 32, I sit there for your house. I think so say no be you dey do me, Mama.
That one na your own you dey talk so. My own be say, which day you wan go make I give you transport because my body dey hot.
Mama, I just do my
this man.
Like this, I'll go meet mom for Lagos. And when I reach Lagos, I no come back. I go enjoy myself. Before I come back, I go not fat. I no go see, let me not live finish. Don't worry, Mama. Don't look for me, oh.
Solo, how are you?
Uncle Fine.
You are welcome. You are welcome.
Thank you, Uncle.
How was the journey?
Uncle, the journey was very stressful. You won't believe what happened. Our car is somersaulted 8 times. Everybody died. I was the only person that survived.
This man!
I just come down and I stop motor. I continue my journey.
Funny boy. You are welcome. You are welcome.
Long time no see you, which one you do, Oga? Long time no see you, which one you do, baby?
This man! This man! Sorry. May God not let them make them. Even though you don't give up.
Auntie, good morning, ma.
Good morning, hello.
Auntie, una dey sleep for this house, oh. Eh? Una why you don't get keep person now, Auntie? I'm hungry.
This is after 11 now. It's too early. Breakfast is by 12 o'clock.
Breakfast by 12. Even be safe my mama house for village, 8 o'clock, I don't chop morning food. Eh? This guy 11 o'clock, I don't chop afternoon food almost 4 times. Until now, carry my dead body go house. You tell my uncle, come and uncle for me. Okay.
Okay, don't worry, I'll bring your breakfast now.
Auntie, so now when the main food will come?
This one is morning food though. So the next food we go eat for this house now by 6 o'clock, and that one is night food. Solo.
Yeah!
Thank you for saying